In this Argos Support video, we will show you general guidance on how to clean a coffee pod machine. Please note, your coffee machine may have specific requirements for cleaning. We recommend checking the user manual before performing any cleaning and maintenance. For the purpose of this video, we are using an espresso coffee machine. Firstly, unplug the coffee machine from the wall socket. Then, remove all of the detachable parts, including the water reservoir and drip tray. Next, clean all of the detachable parts with warm soapy water. Use a soft cloth or sponge to avoid scratching the exterior. Once finished, rinse thoroughly and allow to air dry. To clean the exterior of the machine, use a damp cloth to remove any dust and coffee spills. Once everything is clean and dry, refit all of the detachable parts. The needles that puncture the coffee pod can become clogged with coffee granules. Use a small brush or something similar to carefully clean the needles. Avoid placing your hand directly in the pod hatch. Some machines will come with a tool specifically for cleaning the pod hatch. Descaling the coffee machine is an important step to ensure that mineral buildup does not occur and clog the machine's internal components. We recommend descaling the machine at least once a year. The user manual for your coffee machine will give you information on the correct process. For the machine used in this video, you need to fill the water tank with 500 milliliters of water and add the dedicated descaling solution into the water tank. Alternative descaling solutions can be found on the Argos website. Always read the instructions carefully before use. Plug the coffee machine back into a wall socket. Place a suitably large container underneath the coffee outlet. Press and hold both buttons on the top of the machine for 5 seconds or until the buttons begin flashing green. Then, press the long coffee button and descaling solution will begin running through the machine. We recommend referring to your user manual to confirm how to enter your coffee machine into descaling mode. Once finished, refill the water tank with a used solution. Then, repeat the process by pressing the long coffee button. When the water tank is empty, rinse the tank out and refill it with fresh water. Press the long coffee button and allow the fresh water to run through the machine. You may need to repeat this process until the water is running completely clear. Once the tank is empty, press both buttons to exit descaling mode. Your coffee machine is now ready to use. For further help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.